Hey guys, it's me, English teacher Matthew, and I'm back with another video. As you may have noticed in my previous videos, I've had a haircut. So let's learn some phrases we can use in English to have our hair cut. So you've decided to get your hair cut. So the place you need to go to get your hair cut is the hair salon, or if you're a man, the barbers. We can also call the hair salon a hairdresser as well. Sometimes you may see this word hairdressers, but usually we use the word hair salon or barbers. Barbers is for a man, but a hairdresser or a hair salon is a unisex. Both male and females can go there. And when you go into this place to get your hair cut, you will meet the hair stylist or the hairdresser, or if you're in the barber, you will meet the barber. And here is when your conversation will begin. However, sometimes you need to book an appointment. You need to make an appointment. This means that you need to tell the hair salon or the hairdressers before when you would like to have the haircut. Sometimes it's not possible to just turn up. Turn up means arrive. You cannot just go there. So just to be warned about that. So maybe it's always better to check ahead and make an appointment or book an appointment. Okay, so on the day of your appointment, you can walk into the hair salon or the barbers, tell them your name, and then they will probably ask you to sit down in one of their chairs in front of a mirror. And then your hairstylist or hairdresser or barber will come over to you and ask you, what would you like? What would you like? Or, can I help you? How can I help you? How can I help you? And this is when you will need to respond, I would like something. I would like something. Now, here there are many things you can say after I would like, as you may know. So, for example, for my haircut, I said, I would like a haircut, please. I would like a cut. Now, if you say this, you have to be more specific. So you may have to tell them how much hair you would like to have cut. So for example, for me, I said I'd like it to be a little long on the top and short on the back and the sides. Notice how I've described my hair as being the top, the back and the sides. I'd like it long on the top, short on the back and short on the sides. Obviously, depending on what style and what kind of cut you would like, would depend on what you would say. However, if you like your haircut and you don't want to change it, you just want them to make it a little shorter, then you can just say, I would like a trim. I would like a trim. A trim is just like a short haircut. They will keep the style the same, but they will just have cut it a little shorter for you. So that is a trim. However, if you have longer hair, for example, some men like to have longer hair, but most women also choose to keep longer hair. They will choose to have it washed beforehand, so they may ask for it to be washed and cut. I would like a wash and cut, please. I would like a wash and cut, please. This is when they will wash your hand before and then they will cut it. Now, for women, there are more things that you can ask for. So if you want to change the color of your hair, you can say, I would like my hair dyed. I would like my hair dyed. And of course, you can ask for what color you want. I would like my hair dyed black. I would like my hair dyed blonde. But of course, if you're a man, you can also ask for your hair to be dyed too. Now, men, especially most European men, I think they like to have their hair cut really short. So they may just ask for a buzz cut. I would like a buzz cut. That means they have a shaver or a and they would just shave it. That is a buzz cut. Or if you don't like your hair at all, you can just say, cut it all off. Chop it all off. Chop is similar to cut. Usually we chop vegetables, but we can also use it in this situation too. Cut it all off. Chop it all off. So I hope this video gives you some idea of how you can get your hair cut in English, and I hope you learned some useful phrases. So if you are in an English-speaking country and you would like your hair cut, you can use some of these phrases to help you. If you've enjoyed this video, then please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments below. I read your comments every day, and I really appreciate it if you give me comments. And if you have any friends who probably or maybe need their haircut, send this video to them and tell them you need a haircut. And remember to write these phrases down in a notebook so you can remember them as well. Thank you very much for watching, and all I have left to say is keep practicing.